How to switch back to personal account on Instagram. Let's begin with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Likewise, look for the three horizontal lines icon at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to open the menu. In the menu, scroll down to find the professional section. Here select Creator Tools and Controls. Inside the Creator Tools and Controls section, look for the Switch Account Type and select it to view the available option. You will see the option to switch to personal account. Go ahead and select that. Moreover, Instagram will ask you to confirm that you want to switch to a personal account. Now confirm your decision. Once you hit switch back, Instagram will confirm that you are reverting to a personal account. Your account will be now personal account and all the business related feature will be now removed. That's it. You have successfully switched back to your personal account on Instagram.